Good morning, cousins. Come to the part of affirmation to set your day and raise your vibration. Today's affirmation is, I am grounded, I am grown, I'm exactly where I need to be. This Sunday, I welcome gratitude, peace, and endless possibilities. Have a blessed Sunday, y'all. Bye! Put on a shirt.
What?
No, because he only put on that because he thinks he's so big. Yeah.
Not really? Oh, really? You make me feel good now?
No, you only put on because he thinks...
But it looks on the camera though. What? In the camera.
Look at... Nah, true, nah.
I'm being serious.
You want to watch? Like this, watch.
Why you don't even buy some of them?
Yes.
I'm gonna have to go with this. So your next video, Dre, is find the dildo because you're not getting this.
Hey, pretty young thing. I see you like the vibe. Don't get caught up in the wrong things. I let you dance to me tonight. I see you sipping on this.
What's up, cousins? It's your girl Drill. Welcome back to our next video. Your girl is about to go to the gym, but I'm gonna leave my brothers with y'all. So they're gonna unbox. What are you looking at on me for?
That's cool.
Yes. So they're gonna unbox. They're gonna unbox my SHEIN haul, y'all. So keep an eye on them, and you can see what all I.
Somebody pay for this.
You started already. Wait, stop looking at them. The whole point is we have to look at them together and say what it is. What do you mean it's stupid? This is decoration.
Why you buy this? It's no use. That's a waste of money.
That's decoration. Anyways, y'all. Let go.
Well, you have rat traps. You have rats in here? Let's unbox these. We have a few traps. Let's unbox these.
He's so stupid.
Alright, so we just open them and see what it is. You have to open them?
Yeah, just open them.
What is it like that? Yeah.
Just vanilla.
Milk vanilla. That's sorry, I have to be honest, but waste some money.
Let's one by one, or just all you want.
So basically, this is
Go with artificial
Eucalyptus.
a fake plant.
I mean, everything in here artificial.
We can just throw them on the 7 general.
Yeah. Don't mess them up though.
I ain't gonna mess up none.
You open it?
I open it.
What's the all of these fake plants?
They're gonna come right.
Which one
No, waste some money.
Plus fake plants. What is it?
What is it?
A bag?
She bought something for one of us. I hope it's for her Bible. She got Bible. Oh, so this one.
What is me? A whole grown book?
This ain't for no woman. It's for you.
It's for work? What you buy it for you now?
Something up with this night, tell you. Cause she ain't normal.
Oh, bro.
It seemed bad though. It's a cool alarm. So
High equipment, high performance equipment. Overall.
Okay. They're gonna feel these for sure. You'll feel these when they come back.
Class? You know?
No. I need a few of those. Okay. Random boys.
And you're gonna get a new job if you know about it.
What is it?
So you get a new job if you know about it. But we're supposed to be Get a bag for this one.
Alright, some fake earrings. What are the rings? Fake rings.
So this one,
Bullshit as usual.
she probably got a job at the airport. The
Jeton
Jeton,
chopsticks.
the Jeton Taylor International Airport.
What are the chopsticks for real?
At the Princess Island Airport, which one?
We got
I can go get the Jeton one. We get the Jeton, because we got 3 airports now. Next, guys, we have some more artificial jewelry.
What is this one? No,
24 carat.
This
Copper.
cannot be serious. I want this better be a dollar. What's this?
Not for the plan, but
So
for the
$2?
plan. We got 24 carat copper.
Alright, $2.
4 rings. But still no ring on it. More artificial jewelry.
Man, what she be doing though?
But it look gold though, that's my thing.
I don't fake.
It look copper. But I know, but at least make it look good. That is bronze. More artificial jewelry than anything. And so you got a job on the airport?
I'm straps of both for real.
You got a job on the airport?
What is gloves for? It's for gym?
Both of us had this outfit. Whoa.
Really? Okay, well.
Baby gloves. What size she pick?
What is
What size is me?
you come around?
Let me see.
What size is me, Joe?
Oh,
That's what I'm popping, man.
Voila. Oh my god.
What we got next?
What is
That
it?
boy can't love the things on top of
This
this.
for Halloween?
The buy just opening the bags, anything on it.
But you can see it's like a black
Made in
and,
China.
a black and white
For the
Halloween
SHEIN.
dress.
About Halloween dress. You showing the people that?
Yeah, straight to the camera ready. What is a jumpsuit? Okay. More 18 karat jewelry.
18 karat copper. Ching. I don't know if it's a bowl, a plate, or what.
Alright, some straps to hold your phone while you're gymming.
Some phone straps.
Yes.
Oh, this don't feel
More
like
18 karat, more 18 karat gold.
I don't want to open
This
it.
stupid thing, it tells me she got something
Yeah,
stupid in
you
here.
don't want me open one here.
It tells me she got something stupid in here.
What this is?
Oh,
A glass jar. A glass bottle. What do you want to call it?
boy, would you boy?
What is this? The white for? Tiene una shot glass for sure.
Close.
Salud.
I just want to open these ones.
I didn't open it either. What are these cuffs?
More 18 carats.
Cuffs.
What are
this? Cuffs.
Oh,
That's what they call these, right? I think I too close. I either call these cuffs. We got 3 14 karat copper cuffs.
this one's cool.
More
I
artificial.
hate to see women in these.
More artificial jewelry.
She better give away this. Look at this shit. What it be like up in the ass of the woman? I hate to see these.
That is gym fit, boy. That is all the girls don't like
I
more.
hate to see these.
Some more artificial jewelry. More. It's cute though. Ain't bad. They look cute. Ain't bad.
We have a cool avocado nighted.
So one thing with my sister, she obsessed with avocados. Like almost everything in here is look at avocado right there.
I guess you're gonna put a night on.
She got avocado case, AirPod case. Literally avocado, everything. So I'm gonna sweet avocado.
That's weird.
I told you she wasn't normal. And my thing is it, avocado don't even, you know, I don't know just that.
What taste it?
Avocado do not taste good. Oh my, if you don't put salt, you don't put salt on it. If you don't put salt on the avocado.
This? Who works
What's
mechanic?
mechanic, man?
Who works mechanic? This for you, man.
Well, why she? Why does she have these AV? Hey, the fabric is cheap. Oh Lord. But I
Fit me, this will be cool.
though. We gonna walk on the car later. She must have get it. Hey, she probably get it for you to walk on Marshall from.
Look at me, I'm but oh, you got one.
No. Let me put on the next one. Put on that one, put on this one. We gonna step in. Step in and step out.
Alright, we got a half overall here. Over half, actually. No, what these for real? Who these for? These guys are doing.
What she is? So, she got to buy this for me.
I gotta go on Shein, see what's going on. It's a cool little toolkit.
Take your boat.
No, what is this? What is the one? Wait, what is this? I don't have no name on these things. All it's saying is like made in China. No name, so we figure out maybe it's a fake plate that you wanna do. They're doing videos of the man getting a hit. What's this?
A lot of nice things.
If this was a storage trap that I bought for $20.
Yo, what the fuck? Anyway, bro.
I know she had to have some stupid fucking this though.
Brand new. That better be brand new, bro. That better be brand new. Yo, what is
I
this?
know it's supposed to have some stupid in.
What is thing in there? What is this? In a hole. And it got water?
I was about that. Box got nothing like that.
Yo,
Why
ain't no way, bro.
I know she had
She gonna get in
in
problems.
this. No.
When she was back here, she in problems. Or what she got us for in the first place. You understand? What she got us for in the first place. The fuck fuck. Yo, ain't no way, bro.
Where you putting them?
In some bag, yo. In this. But she ain't getting creative. For the packaging, I wonder what's in here. So this mystery box. You open it with it. Nothing there.
And then she got that unpack these stupid unpack and box mixed up. You had another one in there?
No, bro.
All that for this?
Some kind of clay vase. Actually, it smells good though. It smells like it just finished. It's stifling. So now unboxing ain't showing the people what we get. Ain't showing the people what we got. 24 karat copper.
What is for real? You can't put it in stretch.
2 vase. I guess to put the plants on you.
Everywhere.
I guess now what the fuck. And this mess is not getting cleaned up by me. Look. The most random.
Well, I guess you have to shovel up some dirt first.
I
with
mean,
these little shovels.
I mean, if
Just
you're
line that
creative, like my sister, like she's very creative. I will give her that. She's very creative, but she's very messy. That's what.
But you want me unbox this?
Yo! First of all, these game with us. Cause we ain't put these on no way. I don't think. We put these on no way. This game with me. I hold it, you like this? Why you don't put on these things? No.
Drea, you little nasty thing, you. When you come back home, your next video gonna be finding this, cause you ain't gonna find it when you come home.
Holding that?
The fuck is it? How did it even work? How did it work? What did it do?
Yeah.
What were you supposed to do with this? This is the beginning of it. Jesus.
You got the commode? Tell me why he play with that. No, tell me.
So there's only one, oh no.
Let me see. You pause it. These game with me. First of all. Go ahead and put it on. You put it on like this. But you know, I'm gonna have to go with this.
So your next video, Dre, is find the dildo, cause you're not getting this.
And find this. Cause you ain't find them. You're not,
Peace.
You're not finding them.
I don't know, my brother still in want to tell me where my vibrator is. Watch it, see.
Hello?
You still up?
Yeah.
Where my vibrator?
Look in you find it yet? You look for it at least.
I look.
Look in your shoes, one of your shoes.
Bye, I can box in your head.
Box you for calling me asking about a damn vibrator.
See ya.
You're not gonna find them. Last but not least. Is this last? This ain't last. You have some garden tools. You have a rake and 2 shovels. And he already playing with this thing.
That's a lie, hiding it. Again.
He already playing with this toy. All the kangs and the shangyings.
If she had one to buy this, we should try it, but it didn't work.
Now tell me where she getting this.
You can wear these.
Where she getting this going? No man.
Hey,
This like 6 feet. You ain't done? How you?
more decorations, waste of money. Uncalled for. Anyway, peace out.
Got some good for your boy in here for sure because I ain't gonna lie. Like, when come up, I would be late, yo. If I was a construction worker, nearby I gotta look hard. And you lie. These grip socks. I'm gonna need 2 of these. I need at least 2 of these for sure. You know that. Oh, that's in here. Keep it alright. Why is she adding these things? Like, what? You got more artificial jewelry in this thing? Are these be one wheels? Are you gonna wear these ones in that? Impossible. That is true. Before this come out of sec, you don't turn your neck green. Continue to touch your skin. Pick me though. Pick me though. Pick me though.
pretty young thing. I see you like the vibe, don't